Hello, today we have an unboxing of the Samsung Droid Charge from Verizon, so let's get started. Here is the cell phone. Let's put that aside. Here is the cell phone manual. Here is the installation disc. And here is the software update instructions I created. So let's get started with this phone. Let's read the manual first. Here's your getting started guide. How to remove the cover. Let's read it. Push the back cover with your two thumbs until the cover disengages from the phone. Slide the cover down to remove. Inserting the battery. Push the battery with your thumb until the metals create contact with each other. Attach cover. Push the cover with your thumbs until the cover engages with the phone. Slide the cover up to attach. Turning the phone on. Press and hold the end call button for a couple of seconds until the Samsung comes up on your screen. At that time, you can release your finger from the button. And here are here's the rest of the information. Look, it says software update. Windows. Use installation disk for software update. Here is the cell phone. So let's open the cell phone up. So here is the main cell phone. And here is the battery. So let's get the battery open. Not putting enough force. So here is the battery. And now let's open the phone up. So this has tape on the back. And get this phone open before my camera dies. Just cut that a little. Opening up this, tearing this up. So here is the cell phone. Here is the Samsung Droid Charge from Verizon. So let's open it up. Let's put the battery in. Let's turn the phone on. Here is the Samsung logo. Here is the lock screen. The lock screen has the Metro PCS wallpaper. The Metro PCS wallpaper is not the default wallpaper. Let's go to the menu. Let's go to Settings. About phone. Status. So here's the status. Here are your buttons. Here is the Verizon logo. You have the Samsung logo. And this was the unboxing of the Samsung Droid Charge from Verizon Wireless. So I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See you later.